man, it got dark quick. There is a huge storm coming in. I don't know if you can see how dark that is. It's gonna come down any second, but I cleaned up most of the stuff already in the middle of cooking dinner. I've set up as much as I could in the tent. Gonna try to use this little stove I got. Yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll see if the tent holds up. Alright, well, I'm in the tent, still cooking somehow. Yeah, it's pouring out there, but we're still dry somehow. Moved everything inside, got a little table. Yeah, it's going pretty good. Success. What's up, guys? We're in Fahnestock State Park this weekend, and we're doing a little birthday camping. My birthday is tomorrow, and I thought, what better gift to give to myself than a weekend of riding and camping. So here we are. We're also out here with a new tent, trying it out for the first time. It's the Pomoly Yarn Solo, and we definitely tested it last night with the rain. It's been a really chill couple days. Beautiful riding. We kind of rode around Cold Spring area, took some time inside the town, and just had a coffee, walked around a little bit. Gosh, the roads, it's so crazy leaving the city and having some open roads for a change. You kind of forget what it's like to just go like 55, 60, take your left hand off and just roll down the road with no other cars in sight. So it's been super nice being up here. One big bummer is that I dropped some of my gear coming up on the highway. It was my first time using some new straps and kind of had a new way of sorting the gear on the back of my bike. So yeah, I guess the vibrations just pulled it off at some point. I didn't even notice, which is lucky. It could have been a lot worse. But it was basically my fire kit, my folding fire pit, the pot stand, and some fire starter stuff inside, which isn't a big deal, but it's just a bummer. I've had that stuff for a while. So tonight we're just gonna chill. Now that it's not raining, we get to spend plenty of time outside. And we're gonna make some cauliflower tacos tonight, which I'm super pumped about. I got the idea from Scotty's Gone Walkabouts, which I've been watching a lot of lately. He has some awesome videos up and some good recipes, and he just backpacks, so he carries not that much food, so he does a lot with a little bit.